Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is called as a homologous series. This question also study yesterday lecture that is called as a what? The definition of homologous series with an example of a aromatic hydrocarbon. Or we take the what here? Example of the aliphatic hydrocarbon called as what here? Alkane. So what is the homologous series? You know, so the series which is differ in the CH2 group. The series in which the differ in the CH2 group, so it is called as what here? So it is called as the homologous series. Clear? So homologous series which have the different example. So we started example number second here, the homologous series of the straight chain aldehyde. Clear? It means the aldehyde, it also the example of homologous series, because in the member of the aldehyde, all the member of aldehyde which differ in the CH2 group, so it is called as example of homologous series. Clear beta? So the functional group of aldehyde what here? CHO, it's also right what here? Single bond CHO or C double bond OH. It is a functional group of what here? Aldehyde. So aldehyde, it contain a CO group. This CO group means C double bond group or CO group are act as carbonyl carbon. What act here? Carbonyl carbon. So any compound which contain a carbonyl carbon, so it is also the example of the carbonyl compound. It means the aldehyde, it contain a carbonyl carbon, it is the example of carbonyl compound. This ये जो पॉइंट है बेटा कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड कहाँ में पढ़ेंगे हम लोग? ये 12th क्लास में आपको यूनिट नंबर जो 13 है aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid इसमें पढ़ने वाले हैं. ठीक है? Okay. Now we take the example of the homologous series. So the name of the member of the aldehyde. So here the 5 member of aldehyde we take here. First formaldehyde, which have the number of carbon is what here? N equal to number of carbon, N equal to 1. It means the formaldehyde contain carbon what? Number of carbon is 1. So the molecular form of formaldehyde what here? The CH2O. What here? CH2O. Clear? Then this molecular formula are changed into which formula? Structural formula, or what we take here? Condensed formula. So how many carbon? 1 carbon. We take a 1 carbon. How many oxygen? 1 oxygen. And what here? 2 hydrogen. So it is called what here? The condensed formula of the formaldehyde. Third, last here, boiling point. So the all the member of the aldehyde are which nature? So it's a physical state what here? Liquid in nature. So we boil the liquid. So the boiling point of the formaldehyde is what here? Minus 21 degrees Celsius. You know what is boiling point? The temperature at which liquid are boiled at particular temperature, and these liquid are converted into what here? Steam or vapor called as gaseous state. It is called as the boiling point. So the boiling point of formaldehyde is what here? Minus 21 degrees Celsius. Second here, acetaldehyde, member of the aldehyde, second acetaldehyde, which is number of carbon is what here? N equal to 2. How many carbon? 2 carbons. And how many hydrogen? What here? 4 hydrogen. It means this carbon increased by the 1 or H increased by the 2. So CH2. So means the formaldehyde, acetaldehyde is example of what here? Homologous series. In the homologous series, the different what here? CH2 group. देखो यहाँ पे ये दोनों सेम है, सिर्फ काय का बेटा फर्क है यहाँ पे चेंज काय का CH2 का है. 1 carbon increases, 2 hydrogen increases called as CH2. Next here, what here? The condensed formula of the acetaldehyde what here? CH3COH, which is the boiling point what here? 21 degrees Celsius. Next here, propylaldehyde, it contain number of carbon 3. So it contain number of carbon 3. It also increased by carbon 1. So 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 2 6. It also increased by CH2. Then last fourth here, condensed formula CH3CH2COH, which have the boiling point what here? 48 degree Celsius. What here? 48 degree Celsius. ठीक है? Next here, propylaldehyde, it contain carbon number 3, increased by carbon 1. ठीक है? Butyraldehyde, it contain of carbon number 4. ठीक है? N equal to 4. Carbon increased by 1, 3 plus 1 4, H increased by the 2, 6 plus 2 8. So CH2 increases by CH2. It is also example of what is homologous series. Condensed formula CH2 by 2 COH, which have the boiling point 75 degrees Celsius. Next here, velar aldehyde. So velar aldehyde, it contains carbon number 5, means number of the carbon is 5. It molecular formula C5H10O. It also increases the carbon number 1 or hydrogen by 2. So it means the all member of the aldehyde are increased by the CH2. It means 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen increases each and every molecule. That's why all the compound will differ in the CH2, or any series will differ in the CH2 molecule. It is called as what here? Any series differ in the what, which molecule? CH2 molecule. So it is called as what here beta? So it is called as the what? The homologous series. ठीक है, तो ये बेटा जो CH2 डिफरेंस है याद रखो बेटा, अगर सीरीज के अंदर कंटिन्यू CH2 डिफरेंस आ रहा है, सीरीज कौन सी है? वो होमोलॉगस सीरीज है. नेक्स्ट ईयर व्हाट? ऑल द कंपाउंड विच हैव द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इंक्रीजेस. व्हाई द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इंक्रीजेस? सो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट आर इंक्रीजेस डिपेंड अपॉन द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन in a straight chain. If the straight chain, all called straight chain carbon, clear, long carbon straight chain carbon, so all the compounds contain an increasing number of carbon. So any compound, ये point याद रखो बेटा, यानी ये point आपको 12th क्लास में important topic आएगा, CET में NEET में भी. हाँ, all why the boiling point of the hydrocarbon increases. So the boiling point of hydrocarbon or aldehyde increases with increase the number of carbon atom straight chain. Or why the boiling point decreases? If the branch is increases, so boiling point decreases. If the branch is decreases, so the boiling point increases. स्ट्रेट चेन रहा बेटा तो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट बढ़ेगा. अगर दिखा दी ब्रांच है, इसको किसी कार्बन को अटैच है, उससे क्या होगा? बॉइलिंग पॉइंट डिक्रीज होगा. ठीक है बेटा, इस तरीके से हमने देखा एग्जाम्पल ऑफ होमोलॉगस सीरीज ऑफ स्ट्रेट चेन ऑफ एल्डिहाइड. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वी टेक द व्हाट हियर द प्रॉब्लम और क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन एग्जामिनेशन how to calculate the or write down the structural formula of the first 5 member of what here homologous series called as the what here alkane. यानी आपको अल्केन के 5 मेंबर का स्ट्रक्चर फार्मूला निकालना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ द होमोलॉगस सीरीज ऑफ स्ट्रेट चेन ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन ऑफ अल्केन. एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन, कैलकुलेट द मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला ऑफ दिस 5 what here homologous series of alkane. And third, general formula of the this homologous series of what here such homologous series of what here alkane. Clear? So how to calculate the homologous how to write down the structural formula of the 5 member of the hydrocarbon homologous series of alkane. So first question solution, we take the first ये 3 क्वेश्चन है बेटा. तो पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये है, फर्स्ट वाले का स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला रहेगा, सेकंड वाले क्या रहेगा? molecular formula this, and third general formula of the homologous series of alkane. So first, how to write the what here structural formula of the 5 member of the alkane. So we use the first member of alkane, methane. In the methane we added a CH2 group. So 1 carbon increases and 2 hydrogen increases. So 1 carbon plus 1 carbon, how many carbon? 2 carbon. And what here 4 plus 2 6 hydrogen. So we take the what here CH3 single bond CH3. It means the what here it contains 2 carbon 6 hydrogen 6 hydrogen. First homologous series, second homologous series. Now further this second homologous series added a CH2 group. ये CH2 को मिडल में ऐड किया बेटा, तो थर्ड क्या बन गया? CH3 as it is, this CH2 as it is, this CH3. Third homologous series. Now further this third homologous series added a 1 CH2 group. So what we get? We get a fourth homologous series of the alkane. CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2, then this CH2 this CH2, then this CH3 called as the fourth homologous series. This fourth homologous series further added the what here? The CH2 group. So what we get here? We get the fifth homologous series. So this CH2 are added here in between these 2 carbon. So what we get? CH3 as it is, this CH3 also CH2, this CH2, and we added a this CH2 means how many carbon? 5 carbon. So it is a 5 member of the structural formula of the homologous series of alkane. यानी आपको पहले एक मीथेन का फॉर्मूला याद रखना है और उसमें CH2 ऐड करना है बेटा, बिकॉज इट इज अ होमोलॉगस सीरीज. With the help of homologous series, we calculate different types of the what here, the structural formula of the what member of alkane. Second question, now deduce or identify. Deduce called is what here? The word deduce means what here? Identify the general formula. Third question है बेटा. Second question क्या है? Now write down the first homologous series of what is molecular formula. So the molecular formula of this all member of the fifth 5 homologous series CH4 as it is this. Second, how many carbons? 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen C2H6. Third, C3H8. Fourth, C4H10. 5 C5H12. So all this called as a member of what here? The molecular formula of the 5 member of the homologous series of alkane. तो इस फॉर्मूला ऐसा निकालते हैं बेटा CH2 ऐड करके और इन सबकी कंबाइन करके क्या निकालते हैं? मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला निकालते हैं. 1 कार्बन 4 हाइड्रोजन CH4, 2 कार्बन 6 हाइड्रोजन C2H6, इस तरीके से कंबाइन करके निकालते हैं. सेकंड क्वेश्चन मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला. थर्ड जनरल फार्मूला. सो द जनरल फार्मूला ऑफ द ऑल मेंबर ऑफ द alkane is what here? CnH2n plus 2. Where alkene is what here? CnH2n minus 2. Where alkyne is CnH2n. ये आपको यूनिट है बेटा, वो मैंने यूनिट नंबर 15 जो हाइड्रोकार्बन है उसमें आप पढ़ने वाले हैं. व्हाट इज जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ द अल्केन, अल्कीन एंड अल्काइन. व्हाट इज केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑफ अल्केन, अल्कीन, अल्काइन, ये सब हम पढ़ने वाले हैं. ठीक है. सो हेयर ये जो क्वेश्चन था बेटा यहाँ पर, इसमें 3 क्वेश्चन निकालेंगे थे प्रॉब्लम में. पहले स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला ऑफ द 5 मेंबर ऑफ अल्केन जो निकाला. सेकंड मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला ऑफ द व्हाट हियर? द अल्केन. एंड थर्ड जनरल फार्मूला ऑफ द अल्केन. तो इस तरीके से हम निकाल सकते हैं बेटा विद द हेल्प ऑफ द होमोलॉगस सीरीज वी कैलकुलेट द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला, देन मॉलिकुलर फार्मूला एंड देन लास्ट थर्ड ईयर व्हाट हियर? द नंबर ऑफ व्हाट हियर? जनरल फार्मूला. ठीक है. तो इस तरीके से हम होमोलॉगस सीरीज निकालेंगे. उसके बाद में क्वेश्चन क्या देगा था? होमोलॉगस सीरीज. उसके बाद इसका एग्जाम्पल अल्डिहाइड, ऑल मेंबर ऑफ द अल्डिहाइड इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ होमोलॉगस सीरीज. नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन alkane is a constituted homologous series, means all the member of alkane is example of homologous series. Homologous series, with the help of homologous series we calculate the 5 member of alkane. It's a structural formula, molecular formula and third general formula. It is called identify the general formula of the what? HS called is what here? HS called homologous series of alkane. ठीक है. तो ईजी है बेटा. इसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर रहेगा हमारा उसमें देखेंगे हम लोग हाउ टू राइट द common name as well as the IUPAC name of any organic compound, especially hydrocarbon. Clear? It is called as the nomenclature of the organic compound. ये हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. इजी टॉपिक है बेटा, आपको ये अच्छे से नोट्स प्रिपेयर करनी है. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.